Hello and welcome. I have another kit, yay! This one has been ready for a little while and I was just waiting for the appropriate day, and I thought that February 14th would be the perfect day. Not only is it Valentine's Day, but it is Arizona's birthday, the day it became a state. So I have Southwest Succulents is the name of this kit, and you'll see I have a couple things that are Arizona specific, but for the most part it is anywhere in the Southwest that you will see cactus and succulents. So yeah, I wanted to do a kit that was Southwest-ish, but not your traditional, what you think of when you think of Arizona, which is, you know, dirt or desert and the typical like turquoise colors and mauve. So I kind of wanted to mix it up and bring in some different colors. If you've never been to Arizona, we have really, really beautiful sunsets, and we also have beautiful cactus. Some of these are barrel cactus, and then there's different types. I didn't really do a lot of saguaro cactus, which you really can see a lot in Arizona, because the images I found had these beautiful blooms. So I wanted to pull those in because when it is springtime, they really do bloom, really, you know, beautifully. And we also have a monsoon season in the summer. However, last summer we did not, and that's full of thunderstorms, and we do get rain. And I just kind of wanted to pull in some, you know, different colors and a different Arizona Southwest vibe. Okay, enough about that. Let's get to the kit. So we have this one that has, again, I've been really digging the kind of mixed media feel with this fun background. And then, of course, the cactus. And then we have this one with another pattern in the back. And we do have butterflies, some different cactus, and then more of the mixed media feel. And here's one with a green background, and then kind of a bluish green, and then some faint cactus. I want to say maybe that's a century plant. I'm not totally sure. I'm not the best at the botany or the plant names. I guess I should learn. And here's one with a purplish tone. I just love that bloom, it's so pretty. And then we have hummingbirds here in Arizona. So I really struggled. I wanted to do pages with hummingbirds on them, but since hummingbirds are small, I had a difficult time, and maybe I should try again. But I figured if I were to proportion the hummingbirds next to the flower, I didn't know how to get that right. So instead I made a pattern with different hummingbirds. So there's that background page. And then we have hibiscus trees, so I thought it would be fun to do a hibiscus background in the fun yellows and orangey colors. And then we do have some writing papers. Here's one with some cactus. It's more, you can't tell right here, but it's kind of a purpley tone. It's hard to tell. It's kind of coming up brown. And here's one with a writing page with green. And I think this is my favorite page in the kit. I basically kind of shrunk down some of the images, and then I did add the hummingbirds here because, again, I felt like perspective, it wasn't going to matter as much. But I just love how these turned out. And I don't know if you noticed as we were going through the pages, but I kind of did a subtle rainbow. So we kind of have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It's not a in-your-face rainbow, but I thought that was kind of a fun, subtle thing. And then we have some ephemera pages. I have this map of the United States and the Book of Wonders. Here's one about a hummingbird, and then also a page about a hummingbird. And then I found these images from the New York Library. I don't remember the whole title, but this is an image, an old image. I can't see if there's a date, but it's the Grand Canyon. And then here's an image of some cacti, another image of the Grand Canyon, and then I just love this one. This is the San Francisco Peaks up north. What's really nice about Arizona, if you haven't been, is we have mountains and then we have the desert. You can drive 2 hours and then be in the mountains where it's cooler weather. Up here is actually where I went to college. a little side note. So I thought that was really fun. And you'll notice in the picture it actually has snow on the peaks. And I just thought these were really cool old photographs. And then we have another ephemera page, and this was what I was talking that I kind of went Arizona specific. I have these, you know, like the label, the vintage label maker. So I have some of those kind of labels. This one says Southwest, Arizona, welcome, Route 66, because we have Route 66 that goes through Arizona. And then we always joke in Arizona that it's a dry heat, because, you know, it's blasted hot in the summer. And then relax, enjoy, hummingbird, Grand Canyon State, Saguaro, monsoons, sunset, and sunshine. And then I also have these fun labels that you can use. And then I did a quote that I found when I was kind of finding some images. It says, "Nowhere on this planet is the desert as fascinating as it is in Arizona." And that's Joseph Stacy that said that. So I thought that was fun. You kind of cut that out and put it on a page. And then the last page, I have this one with the layered tag and the layered postage card. Of course, you don't have to layer it, but they are proportional, so you can. And then you have some images if you want to do the tuck thing and layer them up. And then this beautiful flower. I just love that flower. And I love this one too. So, yeah. And then a postage card. So this one has, oh, I don't remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pages. So it's a little smaller, but I think there's a lot of really fun pages in here. Definitely enough to make a fun journal. Even if you're not into Arizona or the Southwest, but you are into succulents, I think this is a really fun journal kit for that. And I think it would just make a really pretty junk journal. And I can't wait to make one. All right, so like I've done in the past, this will run half off for the first week that it is listed. And since it's today, which is Sunday, Valentine's Day, it'll be on sale through this next week until next Sunday. Okay, so grab it half off and I hope to see what you make. If you want to show me anything that you make with this kit, I would absolutely love it. So you can join Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook and post them there, or you can even email me. I have my email address listed in the links below. And if you're not subscribed, please do. I would love for you to join. And if you're not subscribed, please do. I would love for you to join our craftiness and then you can be notified when I upload videos and post new kits. All right, have a wonderfully happy, lovely Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.